What about genetics? What role do genetics play in these conditions that we're talking about? Because you hear so many studies, right? There's a lot of crap out there. We found the alcoholic gene, we found the addiction gene, we found the depression gene. They haven't actually found anything like that. And even if they did, our genes get turned on and off by our environment and our circumstances and our mental state. It's a field called epigenetics, okay? So things don't get passed down like addiction and depression. What can get passed down is traumas, and with traumas come beliefs, okay? And that can come down through our parents and through our grandparents. They've done a really cool study. They did it with rats, okay? So they took these rats in a cage, and what they would do, they would spray cherry blossom scent. When they did that, they would electrically shock them on the feet. Did this just a couple of times, to a point where they would traumatize these rats, right? And so whenever they then sprayed the cherry blossom, without shocking them, they would have a massive fear reaction, anxiety, and run to the corner of the cage. They never shocked those rats again. Those rats grew up, had baby rats. Those baby rats were never traumatized, never shocked on the feet ever. Whenever you sprayed cherry blossom, they would freak out and run to the corner of the cage, because that trauma gets imprinted in their DNA. And that happened for their kids as well. So it's at least 2 generations going on. You can look at that as a bad thing, going, shit, I'm getting stuff passed down from nan and granddad and that kind of thing. The good news is you can heal it, because you can get to the subconscious mind. Whether those beliefs and those emotions are coming from you or they're coming down genealogically, they can be accessed and they can be released.